Earlier this week, I was leading a workshop which was all about getting clear on what you're calling in for 2024. The audience was all women, and I would say about 99% of the attendees were women who are in their own business. They run their own business, which was really perfect. And we talked a lot about the upcoming energies for 2024 and Feng Shui period 8, which is rolling in very soon. And we talked about how this is our time. So the energies that are coming in are really going to support women, especially middle-aged women, women who are in stepping into roles of power, stepping into their own strengths, and really shining their light and supporting and helping on many levels to change the world. And so it's a really exciting time, and that's what we talked about in that workshop. And I'm really bringing that up because I have a virtual workshop coming up in February, which is sort of the next step, the next level to this. We're going to talk about what's going on with the energies that are shifting right now in terms of 2024 energies, and also the next Feng Shui period of energies, which is period 9, which is rolling in at the beginning of February. And what that supports and how you can tap into those energies in order to support your life and your business, and how to use them to really manifest, attract, achieve the things that you want more rapidly, really. And the energies that are coming in are very fast-paced and very supportive of rapid manifestation if you're in alignment. And so during this upcoming webinar, we're going to talk about what your goals are for 2024 and how to align yourself with these energies and use your surroundings to support you in an even stronger way in helping you manifest and achieve what your big vision is for 2024 and beyond. So I'd love to invite you to come and sign up for that webinar. I'm going to put the link is up above in the description, and it is happening on February 5th at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The webinar is Align to Your 2024 Goals Using Feng Shui. Again, we're going to look deeply at what the energies are doing right now and how they're shifting, what it's going to feel like, the difference between how it's felt and how it's going to feel, and how you can shift your and balance yourself so that you can navigate those shifts very easily. We're going to talk about what your goals are, how you want to feel regarding those goals, and also talk about whether or not your surroundings are supporting you in getting to that, in achieving them, or whether they might be holding them back. That's certainly one of the challenges. When your space is working against you, when the energies that you are in are working against you, it's really setting you up for a harder time to get where you want to go. And what we want to do in this webinar and through the end of the year is really set ourselves up so that the energy is supporting us. It's working with us to achieve whatever it is we're shooting for. And it's working, it's like instead of swimming upstream, trying to make and force it happen, we're allowing the energies to really give us an edge in life and in business. An edge over, not having to work so hard or think so hard, giving you an edge over the competition, and allowing you to have a little bit of foresight on how to tap into what's coming so that you're just a little bit ahead of the game. So the link is above in the description, February 5th, 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's free to attend, and I would love to have you join me. The workshop is recorded if you can't make it live. We're going to have fun, and you're going to get a lot of insights into how you can set yourself up for success in 2024 and beyond. So I hope you make it. Take care. Bye.